Looking to add a touch of Valentine's Day to your projects? In this video, I'll show you how to quickly download and install free Valentine fonts for your projects with ease. From script fonts to cute heart designs, find the perfect font for your project in seconds and create amazing visuals that will grab everyone's attention. 1. Retro Heart U Font. Retro Heart U is a sweet and fun display font with an adorable groovy accent. Quirky, whimsical, and a little funky, this font has the potential to elevate any creation while adding a groovy, hippie touch. 2. True Love Font. True Love is a lovely and flowing handwritten font. It has beautiful and well-balanced characters, and as a result, it matches a wide pool of designs. This font is PUA encoded, which means you can access all of the glyphs and swashes with ease. 3. Maddison Font. Maddison is a romantic and elegant calligraphy font with dancing characters that give it a casual yet sophisticated touch. The calligraphy style gives it a personal and handwritten feel, making it suitable for wedding invitations, greeting cards, and other romantic projects. 4. Ashley Marie Font. Ashley Marie is a lovely duo font, script and sans serif, incredibly versatile. This font fits a wide pool of designs, elevating them to the highest levels. Add this font to your favorite creative ideas and notice how it makes them come alive. 5. Love Story Font. Love Story is a bubbly, chunky lettered and friendly display font. It embodies playfulness and authenticity and is the perfect choice for any children's activity or elementary school design. And that's it. You now know how to download and install free Valentine fonts for your projects. We hope you found this video helpful and that you're excited to start using these lovely fonts in your next project. Remember to check the license before using any font for commercial purposes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more font-related tutorials and design inspiration. Thanks for watching.
Oh,